I'm happy to be a TezDev. We at Kord have a background in traditional finance, to be more specific in quant trading and market making. And some of our team members have also a background in building retail financial products for just retail users. Yeah. So the Kord.Fi was launched in March 2023. Yes, so the idea was to make the liquidity baking and farming and like DeFi lending more accessible to the users on Tezos. Kord.Fi is leveraged liquidity baking or leveraged farming protocol on Tezos, and it builds on top of liquidity baking decentralized exchange, or another name of it is Sirius decentralized exchange. This exchange is very special because it is subsidized by the Tezos protocol inflation. So the yield it provides is actually like a real yield and a very sustainable yield. What we do is we allow different types of users to use this kind of DEX to boost their earnings and earn some yield, basically. The more conservative users can just lend their Tez or TZBTC to our protocol and receive small but stable yield. And more aggressive users, which are like leveraged farmers, they can borrow the Tez or TZBTC from the conservative users and use it to leverage their position. So at the moment, the protocol is very popular among the users willing to lend their Bitcoin, as at the moment they can earn more than 3% on their BTC holdings, which is very high across the crypto ecosystem. And we have a lending pool of almost 100 BTC. And then on the other side, farmers are borrowing this BTC at very cheap rates and use it to earn more yield on their Tez holdings. Yeah, so we are actively working on the second version of the protocol, and we would more focus on trading use cases. And we plan to launch Power Perpetuals, most likely next month. In short, Power Perpetuals would allow several use cases. First, Power Perpetuals allow leverage trading without the risk of liquidation. At the beginning, the users would be able to bet with leverage on BTC USD price or on Tez USD price on our protocol. And on the other hand, other users which do not want to speculate but want just to earn yield on their holdings would be able to sell short the Power tokens and earn very nice yield. And this product would be very similar to option selling products that are a huge market in traditional finance and also on some other chains as well. And finally, using the Power Perpetual tokens, users would be able to hedge the impermanent loss of the DEXs, and namely of the Sirius DEX or liquidity baking DEX, which would nicely fit into the current DeFi ecosystem. Since we launched, we see a great interest in our protocol from the community, and we are also actively working and evolving the protocol further.